Good morning everyone. I'd like to welcome you all to a very special week at Nottingham High School. It's Love Your Body Week. But first, let me introduce you to someone. This is Liam. Everyone say, hi Liam. Liam is my friend from uni. He loves a party, he's a cheeky chappy, and he used to be a model and even did some shoots for GQ magazine. This is also Liam. Liam contracted multiple sclerosis 6 years ago when we were 30. MS, as we refer to it, is a disease which suddenly causes the body to attack itself. There is no cure, no genetic indicators you might get it, and can be life-altering.
Hi everyone, my name's Liam and I've got multiple sclerosis. Now for me, the MS has really come on strong in the last 6 years. I went from starting modelling in GQ to 6 months later not being able to see and walk. So really and truly, you've got to look after your body. You can't, take for granted because, like I said, I had 6 months and it all went from everything to nothing. Since then, my eyesight's bad, and my speech after midday is bad. The shakes in my right hand, my dexterity when I'm right is really poor. I can't do that after midday now. Going down to my legs, my strength from my legs is nowhere near where it used to be. Playing football, running marathons, to this is really bad. I can't walk at all anymore. I've used a walker to get around the house even. And my shakes in my legs, shakes in my hands are really frustrating. So what I'm trying to say is, don't take anything for granted, because you can have it one day, next day it's gone. And I'm living proof of that. There's no cure for the illness that I have. So I'm fundraising at the moment. Thanks for now. If you got any questions, ask Miss Luxford and I'll gladly answer them. Thanks for now.
Liam really wanted to get his message across, that rather than be so concerned about how our bodies look, are they fitting into society's beauty norms? How do they compare against others that we see? Instead, let's think about what they enable us to do and the quality of life that we enjoy because of their capabilities. Sometimes we are too focused on criticising what we look like and forget how lucky we are to have functioning bodies. Advertising and social media bombard us with perfect and frankly false images, which give us unattainable standards to compare ourselves against. The images are designed to make us want to spend money, buy products, and achieve a lifestyle which is never going to be attainable. We compare ourselves to these images and will always feel like we are lacking. Even the celebrities that we see don't look like their edited images. The more false images we consume, the more skewed our expectations become. What we consume in our everyday life is not only food, but everything that we are exposed to every day. What we read, what we see on social media, what we view on TV, it's our visual diet. In a project by the British photographer Rankin, teenagers were asked to edit their own images until they felt that they were suitable for sites such as Instagram. The teens made their noses smaller, their lips bigger, and their skin smoother. These teens felt their original images weren't good enough, unedited. It demonstrates how social media is constantly altering our self-esteem and self-worth, and ultimately our mental health. Constant exposure to altered images can have a lasting toxic effect on us. So, how are we supposed to feel positive about ourselves? and to find that self-love again. We need to shift the focus. Our bodies are precious and capable of amazing things. We can move off our own steam on land and below water. Usain Bolt ran 100 metres in 9.81 seconds. Manuela Scher holds the record for the fastest female marathon in a wheelchair of 1 hour 37 minutes. And Alessa Sakini freedived to 73 metres in 2018. Tia Toomey and Matt Fraser became the fittest on earth during this year's CrossFit Games in October, completing the final event together, running across the finish line hand in hand. They were totally unconcerned with their appearance in these moments. Alex Honnold solo climbed the Yosemite Triple Crown, which is about 7,000 feet high with no safety rope. Joanna Kwas is the world's oldest competitive gymnast at 86 years old. Felix Baumgartner set the world record for becoming the first human to break the sound barrier in a skydive, reaching a speed of 1,357 kilometers per hour. And Dathrash Manji, the mountain man, carved a path through a mountain 110 meters long, 7.6 meters deep, taking 22 years to complete it so that people could get medicine to his remote village in India. All of these things are what our bodies are capable of achieving, and yet we seem to focus so much of our self-value on how we look. National Eating Disorder statistics in 2019 recorded that 70% of 18 to 30-year-old females didn't like their bodies, and 43% of males were dissatisfied with theirs. It's time to shift the focus and give our bodies some love and positivity. We can begin by a whole week at Nottingham High School dedicated to this Love Your Body Week. This week's special schedule is designed for you to access lots of different topics to rebuild your body positivity. The importance of sleep, healthy eating tips, MasterChef with Mr. Spelling and Miss Gritty, bodies within the LGBTQ community, and healthy mind, healthy body. Please get involved and start shifting that focus back to looking after our bodies. Thank you.